Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to give you 40 plus seamless transitions for free. Also going to show you how to use them properly on Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, you need to download the transitions pack. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. Just go to the link and download the transition pack. After downloading the pack, you will get a .prf preset file inside the folder. We have to import this in Premiere Pro, so let's move on. Go to Effect and right click on the presets. Now click on Import Presets. Then browse our file and click on Open. Instantly our 40 plus seamless transition will be available to use. To use these transitions, we need to create an adjustment layer. Right click on the project panel and go to New Item. Then click on the adjustment layer. Now drag the adjustment layer on the video layer. Go to the middle of two clips. Then use your right and left arrow key to go 5 frames each side. Then select the razor tool and cut the clip. Now delete the extra part. You can also press Ctrl plus K to cut the clip. Then delete the extra part. Now we are ready to apply the transitions. Go to the transition list and select any transition. Then drag it on the adjustment layer. You can see that the transitions is working properly. It's looking very professional. Now let's use another transition with the same technique. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.